everyone, Archana here, and I wanted to show you one of the recent folio I have created, and it is a shabby Christmas. I am super crazy. Yes, it's May here, Mother's Day coming up, and I have created this beautiful Christmas project, but it's amazing. So I just wanted to stop by and show you another my folio. Super cute, right? And I already gave you a tutorial on this kind of folio, so please check that tutorial. But I would like to show you this one. I have used Stamperia's paper, that pink one, Sweet Christmas paper. So I will show you how it look. I have a Facebook clipping on my page, Facebook page actually. I was live on Facebook showing this one, so if you are interested, check that, but it's nothing different than this video. So here we go. So I have used beautiful prima flowers on top, and these are super cute butterflies from Rene Bouquet. So cute, you can see. And this lantern, super cute, right? It was in my stash. And some of the prima wild orchid craft flowers, and these butterflies, and this is scrapnik chipboard. I'm in love with scrapnik chipboards. So let's open it. It has a magnetic closure, you can see, you can hear, right? So this opens like that, and you can see this amazing Father Christmas here. Cute, right? She is cute. I can say cute Santa here. And then I have another this very cute chipboard piece from Scrapnik, and look at this paper. Amazing, right? Super shabby. Even it's a Christmas paper pad, you can use it for any shabby chic project, because it doesn't have any Christmas saying or write up and or any kind of symbols, graphics, nothing, right? It's just the plain shabby paper, and colors are amazing. I love this kind of bluish and pinkish dusty pink roses combination. It opens like that, and this thing is from same collection, die cut. And look at this page. Oh my goodness, super cute, right? Super cute paper. Look at this one right here too. So I have this spot for a picture, this one also. And then when you open it like that, ta-da! Look at this paper. I'm so in love with this paper. Oh my goodness, look at these very bulky, very nice flowers. I'm seeing this flower, I feel like I can smell it. That very nice traditional flower smell, rose, very nice rose smell. And these are also Scrapnik chipboards. I'm sorry, I messed up a little bit here. Maybe I will stick it later on. Or I have a glue here. Just give me a couple of seconds. I will quickly glue that. Otherwise I will forget. So cute. Alright, done. That was fast. So these two chipboards are from Scrapnik, super cute, right? And then I have used these two. I think these are Tim Holtz, or I don't know, it was in my stash. So I just stick it there, and it's open like this. Super cute, right? And then I have these two pockets on both sides. You can see right here and there. Okay. And then I have created this thing for putting some pictures, some fussy cut image from the collection. And then this opens like this. Again, it's a wide album, so we are keep opening this one. You can see how wide it is. And since it's a Christmas theme, we have so many pictures. I have so many spots for pictures. So here is also a big page. Then if you open like this one, I think I will zoom out a little bit so you can see full image, right? So here is another pocket. You can see right here, right there. And This cute little what it called, the envelope is from the same collection. There is an envelope graphic, and you can fussy cut that and you can use it. So I have just cut that. I didn't stick it. I wanted to open it wide like this one. You can stick really cute picture here. I have this picture corners already pre-cut here, so you can put your pictures right there like that, right? And I have this cute little brad, you can see this one. So I easily close this envelope like this. So cute, right? And then I stick this envelope on 3 sides. Okay, we need to put some bulky things inside, then it will stay like closed anyway. So I have created this another pocket here, like back side. Then let's move on to middle. Again, you are opening these. Instead of this one, we are opening up like this one. So you can see all these cute images, right? And then there is a I didn't make pocket right here. I should make a pocket, but I wanted to show this whole beauty of this page, so I kept it like that. And then there is your waterfall. So this one opens like that, and here is your waterfall. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is our waterfall. And then there is a hidden secret pocket for your storage here, or another pictures, leftover pictures, whatever you want to use it. So this is another part. So this is our beautiful wide folio like that. Sometimes I forgot how to close. Like that. Yes, I got it. No, this one like that, right? Right. And then this one first. No, this one, then this one, and this one. Ta-da! This is super cute, right? So I'm so happy of these folios, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you will get notification of my videos when I post my new video. And please thumbs up and comment me. I love reading your comments. If you have questions, I will definitely answer your questions. And thanks again. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.